Righto guys, welcome back. We're in good area tonight. You've obviously seen the thumbnail. Healthy pigs in this area. And we get it done. We've got, I don't know if you can see anyone, we've got Jet, we've got Jack, JD Baby, Griff, and Ziggy. So stay with us guys and we'll show you exactly how we capture that big boar. Good dog, sit down. Want to sit down? Get up. Good girl, Jake. Go on. Get it, Jake. Go on. Good pig, eh? Good pig. Good dogs.
a fucking lump.
No, that's good. Yeah. He's got this boar. Dog's jumped. Jet jumped first. Stuffed it in. Cat's not far behind. She's a really healthy pig, so normally they will stand and fight. Going to better country, you can see you get better pigs. Yeah, it's, Jack got tagged, but that's just a part of the game, I guess. We'll look after him, and yeah, it's a good pig for the night. Just the one, and we'll take it. Good training for the pups. Hey, Jackie boy. Yeah, let's do it. So we've just been at the vet's, Girraween Veterinary Hospital to be precise. Jack's been stitched up. How you feeling, Jack? Want to tell everyone how you feeling? What do you reckon, Jack? I got one for me, one for you, brother. Shit. I just want to say thank you, Jack. The massive effort you put in. I don't even give a fuck if this shit's going everywhere. Thank you, man. I'll have my zinger as well. Oh, you dropped it. You dropped the fucking... You dropped the chicken. Oh, no, I can't get down there because of my gut. Cheers. You can't ask, you can't want wine. I just gave you one. Hmm? That's Jack. Catahoula, cross copy. Best nose in the business. Can't be stopped, can ya? We love you, Jackie boy. Cheers, guys. We love you, Jackie boy. You gonna shake hands? No, shake hands. You too sore. Ah, poor baby, hey baby.